Okay, so one thing that every user should be doing is customizing their Android phone from the bland and basic to something more personalized like this. Here are 5 of the best apps to help you achieve that in 2023. First, let's start with the lock screen. For that, you'll need to download an app called Movies, which basically gives you sick looking always on displays. You have a bunch of cool looking clocks and designs that you can pick from, such as digital, analog, and even text based versions. What makes it even better is the fact that you can customize the design by changing the size and accents of the elements. But the best part of this always on display are definitely the music visualizers, which take the design to the next level. These are also customizable to a high extent, which makes this app really worth checking out. Now let's move on to changing the home screen. If you're like me and don't like the painstaking work in making your own design, then you can get this app by the name Palette, which you can use to find dope designs shared by other people. You can filter the designs to find styles that you like, such as dark, minimal, pastel, and others. The reason I would recommend this app is the fact that it allows you to download the backup files, wallpapers, widgets, and icon packs of the setup so that you can replicate it as accurately as possible on your device. Now, if you're someone who likes designing their own setups, then you can also share your designs so that others can recreate that look on their phones. If you don't want those crazy looking setups but just simply want a slightly more dynamic and lively design, then Live Loops is for you. The app has tons of live wallpapers that have been designed for the phone, whether you want simple ones or dynamic ones. The dynamic wallpapers, in my opinion, are the ones to get, as they change according to the day of time, such as morning, noon, and night, giving you an adaptive and changing home screen with the moving elements. The best part is that these live wallpapers don't even have a major impact on battery, and the drain is barely noticeable. To go with those live wallpapers is an icon pack that I use on the daily. It goes by the name Basic, and it comes with these colorful minimal line icons that look amazing. They are vibrant and really pop out on the screen, especially with dark wallpapers. Also, the icons have a standard size for all icons, making them look even and not having some icons larger or smaller than the other. I'm personally a fan of these minimal design icons, as it really sets my home screen design apart from other phones, which usually has people asking me which icon pack I have installed. The app also comes with this icon request feature if some of your apps are missing icons. The last app on the list is Dynamic Spot, and it's actually an optional one. It's for those people who like the dynamic island on the iPhone 14 but don't want to get an iPhone. It lets you add the dynamic island and customize it according to your camera cutout. It works pretty well with notifications and music as well, and even though there are many different apps that try to do this, I found this one to be the best. I definitely like the music visualizer, which when tapped, opens up media controls. Other notifications such as WhatsApp can also be opened and replied to right from the pop-up, which is pretty cool. Overall, if you're a fan of the dynamic island, then do check the app from the link in the description below.